Introducing the 2022 Skoda Kodiaq 7S SPT 2.0 TDI 150 HP DSG in sleek black. This beauty boasts a powerful 2-litre engine and was registered new this year. With features like ambient lighting, third-row seats, LED lights, and collision avoidance braking, you'll feel safe and stylish on the road. The 20 doors alloys, privacy glass, spoiler, sports seats, and sunroof add a touch of luxury to your driving experience. Rest assured, this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Visit our website spiritskoda.ie or call us